Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright. And as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what does my Capricorn has. My Capricorns for 3rd to 9th of August. Last shuffle. Let's see. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Then I'll end my reading with some couple of advice from the universe. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, so at the back of the deck it's the 10 of Pentacles. Working on your money, working on yourself, a lot is there. Feeling fulfilled, even after not getting everything you want, but still from the heart being fulfilled, I'm saying. Your past cards are the 9 of Pentacles, Ace of Swords and Death. So I'm seeing a big transformation in your recent past, a big transformation, a lot of clarity, a lot of self-work I am seeing. You might even have started something new, some kind of new project, something new which actually satisfies you, which actually makes you happy because there is a transformation in the past. Your present cards are the Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. Things are going smoothly, but there is something where you end up again and again. Might be some kind of love issue or something. There is a thing in your life which you are not able to let go of. We'll clarify what is it. Your future energies are 10 of Wands, 6 of Swords and the Lovers. So very good, because it is progressing very nicely over here, because first you are having 10 of Wands, which actually means that kind of a burden, some kind of heaviness is there, but as you move slowly, it's going to be, it's becoming more calm, and you are going towards something which actually makes you happy or at least satisfied from within. And then the Lovers, so you are, from being to single and then to committed. This is something. Your first card says you're single, you were single, but it's going towards something more of a passion, someone you are meeting with, you might be meeting with someone, sorry. Alright, so let's clarify the cards now. Let's see what does the cards have over here. Let's see your overall energy as the 10 of Pentacles. What does this telling us? 10 of Pentacles, please. Let's see. What is this 10 of Pentacles, please? Can you tell us what is this Pentacles? 10 of Pentacles telling us. See, I told you, a lot of inner work is going on in your life right now, Capricorns. You are in a mode where you are really, there is a burden, but I'm seeing it that you are releasing that burden, that heaviness from your heart, because you're working on yourself. So whatever this thing, you're releasing it. It's like, I'm done with all these past issues, all these past baggages. My heart is really getting heavy and heavy day by day. So it's better to release that baggage. Let's see what is this 9 of Pentacles with a 10 of Swords. Yes. So you have ended a lot of things in your life, so that you could start something new within yourself. You could find your light. You could find your passion, your inner energy, whatever, your mental peace. That is why you have ended, because of 2 tens, 10 of Wands and 10 of Swords. I'm seeing that whatever this thing is, whatever this is, it's actually bringing, it's ending. because it has already ended, it is in the past. It has, you have left that energy, you have left that betrayal mode, because people have done a lot of bad stuff to you. You have ended that thing. You are, you, because after this 10 of swords, this death card, it means that, you again rose up, and then you actually fought with all those problems inside you, and that was actually the new transformation in your life, and you are done with the past problems. With the transformation, you are done with that. Now you are going towards something more stable, something, let's explore new things in life. That is where you are. Let's see, what is this Ace of Swords in your past energies? Why is this Ace of Swords here? Two of Wands. There was a time where you were actually thinking that, you know, you were in the middle of two things where um you were actually thinking that, what shall I do? Because this clarity, because you have done a lot of inner work, I am seeing, and that inner work actually, you were in some kind of confusion, and that confusion was not got cleared up. Yes, it was not, because you were in a confusion. You wanted clarity, but you didn't get any clarity about that, about any person, about anything, whichever this thing is you are dealing with. You wanted that, please give me an answer, why did you do this to me? But you didn't get the answer of why. All right, and you just took it like, okay, fine, I don't think so that I will ever get an answer for that thing. You just stopped thinking then, and that is why the transformation mode came up in your life. And then you started thinking, let the bygones be bygones, and I really have to work on myself, because that is actually not helping me. So that is why you decided, because really strong energies are coming from your side, I'm seeing. Let's see this Knight of Cups in your present energy. What is this Knight of Cups telling us? What is this Knight of Cups? A lot of cards. Why is this Knight of Cups over here? Eight of Swords and Three of Cups. Alright, so why is this Eight of Swords over here? Why is this Eight of Swords here? Why is this Eight of Swords here? A lot of cards, sorry, I'm not going to take anyone. Why is the Eight of Swords? The Hanged Man. Okay. So, well, I see that you are moving on, and you are actually feeling, there's a feeling of happiness, of some kind of, whatever is written for me, I'm ready for those things. Whatever is there, if I really need to meet someone new, I will be fine. If no, I'll be fine. So that kind of energy, But deep down inside, I'm seeing that you are in a place where you want something. You also want that love, that affection. I'm seeing that you are still somewhere within, yourself, deep down inside. You are thinking about that you have done a lot of work, but 1% or 2% is still left. You are still working on that thing. You are confused sometimes. Sometimes you are happy, sometimes you become, because this card is actually very contradictory. This is actually telling me, sometimes you are happy with the people you love. You are with them. You are spending some time with your loved ones, and sometimes you are in that mental state where all your mental energy is, you are trapped in some kind of a cage again. That is what is coming. Let's see what is this Knight of Swords. Six of Cups and the Lovers. Yeah. Memories. Memories. Okay, I just got the name of the song, Memories song. Toast to the ones here today. So that one, really nice song. That is what actually the memories are. You're missing someone. And it's like sometimes you are happy that we are not meant to be together. Sometimes you know, you console yourself, and sometimes it's like we were meant to be together. That is why this Two of Pentacles is coming. I was just telling you that we will clarify why is this why are you staying in that energy again and again, because it is just popping up again and again, and you are like, oh my god, I transformed, because your past energies are really good. You have done a lot of inner work in you, but still some is left. All right, that is why you are feeling that heaviness, and you are not ready to continue with that heaviness in you. You don't want, you just want to offload yourself over here, I'm saying. Let's see what is the Six of Swords over here. No. Six of Swords, please. Six of Swords. Four of Swords. See, again that healing mode is going to come up, because you have not offloaded all the things fully. That is why this is something which you really need some kind of healing. This healing you have already done in past, but still some is left. I'm seeing 5% is left, and you have to do that thing, so that only then the love which you deserve will come towards you. I'm feeling that you are single somewhere, but you are working, you are doing your daily tasks, you are going to your office or work from home, whatever you are doing, everything is, you are maintaining everything, but that inner, that heart, your that broken heart is still need to be fixed, and that is why for that you really need to heal first, then only things will come towards you. Let's see what is this Lovers. Yeah, Page of Wands and Four of Cups. You will not be able, or the other person will not be able to accept you fully, or you will not be able to accept the other person fully until and unless you will heal yourself from those past baggages. So then only this Page of Wands, like a small child, like that small attraction in you, it will come up, and it will end up as the Lovers in your life. All right, let's see what the universe has for you as the advice for the situation. Any advice for my Capricorns for the situation, please? Let's see, what advice do you have? Let's see, my tarot angels, what advice do you want to give to my Capricorns for the situation? What is it? Queen of Pentacles. That is you. See? Oh my god, these are so many cards. See, this is you. This is the advice of the universe. Like, be you. Be yourself. Because you are the one who plays with coins, Let's see, what else do you have? Anything else for my Capricorns, please? What else do you have? I have one more card. The World. See, that process is coming to an end. That karmic cycle, I'm feeling that. What else? Anything else for my Capricorns? One more card. I just need one more card. Seven of Pentacles. So yes, patience is the key. Time, devote the time to yourself. This is what the universe wants to tell you, that give all the time to yourself right now. Whatever is there for you will come at its own time, but you have to give. You have to be the Queen of Pentacles, that queen who is so mature, who plays with the coins, who plays with the who has everything. That maturity level high, that stability level high. So that is something which the world, with the universe wants to tell you, that for you to come to this level, the lover's level, you have to become yourself. So be you, come in your mode, all right? Then the process will end. All right, so that's all from my side, my Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.